Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit French. Today I will be showing you my Sam Poole Designs team project. And we'll start off with, this is actually a prayers holder. But I will show you the boxes that you can make with the Golden Prayer kit from Sam's shop. And I'll show you the larger one first. I printed it on cardstock, and you will need a scoring pad to get the corners and everything to fold correctly. You can find those on Amazon. Mine was real small and very inexpensive. So you can store lots of fun things in here. These are great for a Happy Mail or Christmas present. These are some of the holy cards from Sam's Golden Prayer Kit. And I've tied it up with some twine and a religious medal. And then these are also in the kit. These are the tags that Sam designed using holy cards and French grain sack image. And then here's one that I altered with trim. You can write on that. You can journal on that. And then inside here are the smaller resized prayer cards in the kit. They're all just beautiful. Let's see what else is in there. There you go. And then I store some of the laces that I used in the kit from Angie. All of the laces, except for some of this trim here, are from a Happy Mail I received from Angie. And then I store some of my extra, I have a lot of extra French medals, religious medals. I keep some of them in here. These are the ones I will not use. These are the ones I've collected through the years. These are little pocket shrines that I've collected. I don't know if you can see them. They're so tiny. And Mother Mary. And, you know, I've been collecting these for years and years. Every now and then I open this up and just look at them all over again. But I will be making religious jewelry again with these. This one is so special. But anyway, I'm saving them for jewelry. I'm not just, you know, hoarding them. Anyway, so I find that these boxes are perfect for storing your treasures, whatever they may be. And I had fun learning how to make these boxes. I tell you, I'm going to be making these for Christmas presents. They are wonderful. Then I made a smaller version, just like Sam did in her video when she highlighted it, and added some extra laces and trims that I'm keeping in here. You can make them any size you want on your printer. So that's that. I'll push that aside. Then I got the inspiration for this prayer journal holder from Angie. She sent me one in a Happy Mail that held antique and vintage laces, and I thought that is a wonderful idea, the way she made it. So I actually used, and it's not this size, but this is a textured cardstock. I can't remember where I got it. And so this one is smaller, that page, but this one was 6x6 pages, and it's real thick. And then I covered it with Sam's digitals, beautiful digitals and laces. And I love this holy card or prayer card. I just love it. I've never seen that one. Tied it up with some vintage lace, covered the front and back or inside of the cover with the digitals from Golden Prayer. And inside are the 2 prayer journals. These are 2 big pockets, and all the fabric and laces are from Angie, except for this floral piece. In the first prayer journal, the cover on both of them actually is an antique French document, original. And all of the digital images in here are Sam Poole's, and they're Golden Prayer kit. There's 2 kits. And this is one of the prayer cards that I altered. This would be a perfect place to write. Beautiful image. So most of these pages are blank and ready for whoever gets this prayer journal where they can write. I did add some laces and metals, and then I added this belly band here, and then this angel image from the kit, and you can write in there. And then here are some more of the prayer cards. And an antique page from a French missal, which is like a Bible. And that goes in that pocket. Added a little fabric to the top. And then here is another altered prayer card. And there's that image, that same image in gray. Mother Mary, I love that image. So this is mostly blank. I didn't do a lot of altering because the pages and images are just so beautiful, and you're supposed to write your prayers and thoughts in here. And then in this little folder thing, you can have more of the beautiful images from the kit. You can store them in there. And then that's the first prayer journal. And then the second prayer journal is altered with some lace and trims. Again, with the original antique French document. And then in this lace pocket is a string, French string with a rhinestone cross, one of Sam's prayer cards, and then she has an envelope that you put together. It's in the kit. And then I printed some more of the prayer cards, tinier. For those that like the tiny small things. I'll be printing more of those. Those are easy envelopes. Okay. I'll tie that back up later. And then here is another prayer card with some floral trim. Sam's images are just gorgeous. I might have to keep this one. And then in these 2 lace pockets, more of that French Bible and another prayer card. And more prayer cards here from the kit, and more of the French Bible. I just love this page with the little cherubs. And then this page holds more prayer cards you can write on. And a French Bible page too. Beautiful images. And there you have it. 2 prayer journals in a holder that got thick, more and more thick. Oh, I didn't know if you saw the back of that page. I love that one as well. And then it folded over. You can see the 2 journals from the top. So I hope you enjoyed that. Sam's Golden Prayer Kits are available in her Etsy shop. And I thank you for watching. You know, pull out your religious medals and start creating. I mean, I used to only make religious themed journals, and all my projects were revolving around faith. So this came natural to me, and I really enjoyed it. So I hope you get a chance to watch next Thursday, because every Thursday the Sam Poole design team puts out a new project, and these ladies are talented. I don't even compare. And so I hope you get a chance. I'll list them below. So thank you for watching, everyone, and have a great day. Bye-bye.